Is it worth to fixing old car in 2024? In general, yes.
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. And yes, will be disclaimer in this topic. If you planning to buy great car, new truck, Toyota, just for example, soon, and you don't want to repair your old cars, yes, this is right decision. If you want to buy a new truck, you don't want to repair your current old car if this is not worthy, if this is not reliable model of car, you don't want to spend your time for repair and you want to selling this car in its current condition, you don't care, probably little less price, but who gives a crap about that? You want to buy new car and you don't want to messing with your old car. Yeah, always with thinking about that in financial aspect. If your car falls apart in front of your eyes, probably will be better to buy something another, probably more older car, which was more reliable in olden days, and this car you can fixing by own hands and you want to save money because the latest models not means they good. I mean that will be better to find old car, really old car, which was more simple without these computers, without this electronic. You want to save money. And yes, if your current car not so good and you thinking about buying new car, yes, what will be better? New car also under warranty, probably it will working. But what will be after warranty and nobody will be care about your car. So, will be better to maintain your current car if you have not enough money to buy a really great car like Toyota's new truck, Toyota's, and probably you have not enough money, so you want to continue maintain your current car, but you want to learn how to repair your old car and you want to buy, this is will be more wise to buy more older car than your current car which was produced 15 10 20 years ago, and will be better to buy car really great car 50 years old car from 60s 55 to be exact, and you want to learn how to repair this car because you can't learn, you can't save money with modern car if you really have desire to repair this new car. You have no abilities to repair your current car if this is not so old car like was done in 60s. This was really a reliable car and you want to save money, you don't want to spend your time for searching new car. This a lot of issues will be with buying new car, yes, but it will be better to find car if you want to learn how to repair car another simple car and you want to learn from this car how to repair your car and you have two cars. Always when you want to go to grocery, you want to driving this car which in working condition, and meantime you enjoy this enjoyable process. You enjoy by restoration in a garage. You want to repair your car just for enjoyable process. You want to get more pleasure if you know that tomorrow you not need to driving around on this car in not good condition. Sometimes something will be worn all wears out with edges, and you want to repair this car and prepare this car in advance before trip and another car in good working condition. So if you want to drive anywhere, you want to ride on this car which in working condition. As I said earlier, you want to save a lot of money if you want to repair your car by own hands. And what you want to do with spare parts, when you go to this car care centers, they want to selling you these spare parts without any discounts. But when you repair by our hands, you want to spend time, you want to searching these parts with good price, but only even online from reputable place. You don't want to buy crappy spare parts. They can cause a lot of difficulties, even in a car center. Yes, I remember it was a lot of troubles from these low quality spare parts, especially electricals, electronic spare parts. You don't want to get all these troubles with crappy parts if you want to repair by own hands, because even in car care centers, they sometimes these mechanics suffer from this quality which was not good for installation to their car, and they not able to check, they not bother to check these parts before they going to install to your car, and they fucking your brain with these things that they install these parts and your car not working properly and something else probably wrong, and you continue paying for their labor, and as a result turns out that from the start was crappy part, especially electric part. And who knows which can be, but when you repair your car, this is really worth it. Even today in 2024, probably in another year, and in previous years, this is really worthy. If you have a reliable car or modern car with low mileage which you can maintain and continue driving before you buying a really great truck. Before you buy this truck, you want to riding, you need transportation and you want to maintain your car. But if you inclined mechanically, you want to buy another car just for learn. You want to learn how to repair car on simple car, and you want to maintain this car, repair, gradually improving this car, and probably later you want to selling your previous now current car, and you want to driving classic car, reliable classic car, a lot of sources of spare parts now even today. Just for example, Ford Motor Company, you want to buy a lot of interchangeable spare parts. You want to buy for classic cars, 50 years old cars, because you don't want to messing with this computer. You don't want to buy all these digital tools to repair a car. You don't want to spend your money. Yes, probably if you're working your job, you working as mechanic, probably this is where you live. Yes, you want to messing with electronic, nothing wrong. Or you planning to be to working as mechanics. This is only one excuse to repair modern cars by our resources, by our hands. In any case, will be better to have simple car for repair. It's really worth to repair a car in 2024 when you planning to continue driving around this car and you have not enough money to buy new truck Toyota soon, and you want to repair your car, or you want to buy more simple car which you able to repair with basic tools, with basic skills, and not so expensive spare parts. I think simple spare parts available. A lot of parts interchangeable. You want to make your own research, which model you're interested in and which you're able to buy and to repair to maintain.
Now, if you want to say anything about this topic, please do in the comments box, and I think a lot of guys will be interested about your thoughts, including me, and I'll answer to your message as soon as I finish to smoking my cigar. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.